In this video, I will show you how to increase speed in PC and laptop. Is your PC running slow? Do apps take forever to load and does your system keep freezing? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to speed up your Windows 11 PC without needing new hardware. So to get started, go ahead and head over into your settings by clicking on settings. Now on your settings, go ahead and head over into the system settings. So click on system under your settings. Now go ahead and head over into the power and sleep section at the left side of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and click on this additional power settings at the right side of your screen. So this will pop up on your screen and head over into the power plan that you're currently using on your device. So click on that change plan settings. In here, go ahead and click on this change advanced power settings. So make sure that you head over into processor power management and click on minimum processor state and set this into how you need it to be. After you do that, go ahead and hit on that apply button at the bottom right of your screen. And that's it. By following these steps, your Windows 11 PC should now be running much faster and smoother. Try this and let me know in the comments if they work for you. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.